Hmm. Sabagay lagi ka nagjo-jogging tapos work agad, eh, so wala ng time. Hmm. Lito Mabita just finished his marathon. It's a 42-kilometer run. Huh? I used to run marathon when I was in my middle ages. Yeah, 42 kilometers. My best time in 42 kilometers was less than 3 hours. Yeah, in our country, the best marathoner time is 2 hours and 18 minutes. World record is 102 by Kipchoge from Kenya. Kenyans are the best marathoner in the world. My first time to run marathon, it took me 3 hours and 3 hours and 56, almost 4 hours. And my best time in 42K is 2 hours, 3 hours and 11